Cyborgs, picture this. An AI drone spots a border crosser from 5 miles away, predicts their path, and neutralizes the threat, all without a human finger on the trigger. That's not sci-fi. It's 2025 reality in border wars worldwide. From US immigration crackdowns to EU surveillance races, AI's rewriting conflict rules. But is it saving lives or sparking dystopian nightmares? I'm your host from Curious Cyborgs, and we're unpacking AI's explosive role, quick insights, real examples, and future shocks that'll arm you with knowledge. If global security matters to you, this is must-watch. Subscribe now. Let's decode the machine takeover. First up, AI as the ultimate border watchdog. In 2025, US Customs and Border Protection, CBP, ramps up AI for everything, screening cargo at ports, validating IDs via CBP One app, and spotting threats with seismic sensors that see through walls. Trump's admin deepens this. AI tracks migrants in real time, predicting crossings with 85% accuracy using satellite data and algorithms. Over in Europe, it's a geopolitical innovation race. EU's Frontex deploys AI for automated borders, analyzing migrant patterns to block entries. Value hit. These systems cut false alarms by 70%, saving billions in patrols. But at what cost? Now the scary part is the lethal autonomous weapons. AI drones like those in US border ops don't just watch, they act. Seismic sensors detect footsteps, AI classifies intruder, and boom, response deployed. In conflict zones, systems achieve more than 94% accuracy in spotting radars and threats, turning borders into no man's lands. Apps now pay civilians to gamify border vigilantism, spot crossers via AI cams for cash, no training needed. So the AI reduces human error in high-stakes ops, potentially saving lives. But biases in training data amplify racism, making black migrants 3x more likely to be flagged. So this raises an important question that, when machines decide who can cross the border and who don't? In this case, who's accountable if something goes wrong? Predictive AI forecasts border breaches like weather apps predict storms. DHS uses it for threat assessments, blending facial recordings with cargo scans to flag risks before they hit. In 2025, this tech's exploding. Government agencies bridge gaps with cross-domain AI for seamless ops. But here's the dark side. Automated borders violate international refugee laws, denying asylum via opaque algorithms. Now, we need to understand AI's bias and train it on diverse data to cut errors by more than 50%. By 2030, 80% of borders could be AI guarded, sparking ethical wars over human consequences. But the concern is that from where they will get data to train AI, will they use public data or invade our personal life and get data? Or maybe they will use both. I don't know about that. But this is still a very concerning question to ask. In the next few years, AI's border role will surge as rapidly. They might use quantum systems for unbreakable surveillance, or maybe a hybrid human-AI teams dominating conflicts. Nations like the US is leading in this race for now. But EU's innovation race catches up, reshaping power from migration to military edges. Merits for systems like this is that AI boosts efficiency by 40%. For citizens, push for audits to prevent abuse. In Global Shift, you can expect AI treaties by 2030, but until then, borders become testing grounds for tomorrow's wars. Keep updated yourself. Track tools like CBP's AI dashboard for real-world impacts. Here's the key takeaways. 1. AI surveillance detects 1M plus threats yearly, but amplifies biases. Demand diverse datasets. 2. Autonomous drones speed responses 10x, changing wars forever. 3. Predictive tech prevents crises, but risks rights. Advocate for transparency. Here's pro tip. Use apps like AI Ethics Checker to evaluate border news. That's AI's wild ride in 2025 border wars. Tech triumphs, ethical traps, and game-changing futures. What do you think? Is this a good idea or coming hazard? Comment your verdict below, Don't forget to like if this sparked curiosity, and subscribe to Curious Cyborgs for learning about AI breakthroughs, space epics, and geopolitics decoded. See you next time.